So this is really where G-NAF comes into play, because G-NAF is Australia's methodical approach for organising the chaos which is addressing. So G-NAF stands for the Geocoded National Address File, and it is one of Australia's most trusted source of address information. This dataset takes addresses from 10 different suppliers. We then distill the approximate 50 million addresses that we've received down to 15.6 million addresses. Geoscape Australia has been producing this dataset since 2004, which means that this year marks the dataset's 20th anniversary. And we update this dataset quarterly. So new releases of addresses are released and published in the months of February, May, August, and November. The G-NAF dataset is available under Open Creative Commons licensing, which means that anyone can download and use this dataset for free, though it is important to note that there are some conditions for how you're allowed to use that data under that licensing. So, for example, you're not allowed to use OpenGNAF to mail or contact people. Now, with G-NAF being one of Geoscape Australia's flagship products, we were very interested in understanding exactly how important and how valuable this dataset was. And so in 2022, we commissioned Lateral Economics to conduct a study to quantify the value of G-NAF. And what they found was they estimated that the insights and efficiencies that are delivered by G-NAF represent approximately $1.4 billion of net present value to the Australian economy. And the reasons for why it's so valuable and why it adds up to that number were many, but to name a couple, some of the reasons were because the G-NAF dataset has wide applications and uses across many different industries. It is available under an open access mechanism, which encourages innovation across the country. And as a social benefit, G-NAF is powering many services that are provided free of point to the use of many Australian citizens.